So this right here is ugly, and I think that's a universally known fact that that is just ugly. I haven't met anybody with a 24 and up touring bike that likes that. It looks like an afterthought. It looks like, you know, it's just a big chunk of plastic, and it just doesn't look good on the bike. So I'm gonna fix it, and I'm gonna fix it probably the way that you've seen done 100 times already on YouTube, and that is with the Custom Dynamics radius license plate mount and the LED license plate frame. Alright, this should be a pretty straightforward install. I'm going to get rid of the license plate first. And pull this little reflector piece off. Alright, so this cover sits up in there like that. So if you just push up on the center of this, it'll swing forward and then come off. And then you can get to your plug and disconnect it. Now we got a couple T27s. That's it. Old one's off. So, my bike is dirty. I haven't washed it in a little bit. I've been riding in the rain and all kinds of shit. So, I'm going to get some detailing spray, clean that up. Oh, that's gross. This thing really needs a bath. Alright, there's the new mount, and I'm just kind of winging it here, but common sense tells me we need to get the frame on the mount with the plug fed through, because once this is on there, we're not going to be able to feed the plug through. My table here is a disaster because I'm working on multiple bike projects at once here. But we need to take our license plate and kind of form it a little bit to fit this curve. And then the wire is going to go, if you're looking at the plate, on the top right. And if you look in this mount, there's a little groove for that wire to lay in. So, should be able to... Oh, we do need to trim this plate. We need to cut a little notch in it. Got it sitting in here roughly. I'm going to take Sharpie and mark it. I don't want to go too far because I don't want that notch showing once it's in the frame. But I'm going to start with this. If I need to go further, I can. I think that should work okay. I'm going to clean this edge up a little bit with a file and flatten it out a little bit, but that's really about all the knots you need. Alright, I took a file and cleaned those edges up, hit that with a hammer a little bit, got it a lot more even so we don't have to worry about tearing up this cable. I think what we need to do, I think we can leave the plate here for now. Feed this cable through, and then we're just going to have to let the frame hang while we get the bracket mounted. Alright, so we're just going to have to hold this cable here and let the frame just kind of hang there for now while we get this bracket mounted. So I'm going to feed the connector through the hole. I've got the hardware that came off the original license plate mount. Alright, so there is a little bit of wiggle here, so make sure you got it nice and straight and even left to right, square on the bike, and then we can tighten these down. Don't want to go crazy on those. There is a nice rubber pad around anywhere that this bracket makes contact with the paint. So we're ready for the plate now. So you want to get your plate up in there and then take your time. Get that cable tucked into that groove on the bracket. A lot of little pieces to hold on to here, but the bracket comes, or the plate comes with screws. They're black on this one because I got the black bracket. I'd imagine they're chrome. If you get the chrome bracket, alright, mounts on. I got the plugged it back in, that little cover inside the fender back on. Just need to see if they work. There we go, we got license plate light. I think this looks night and day better than what the OEM Harley one was. Like I said, the Harley one it really didn't fit the look of the bike. It's all blacked out, matches the bike. Got rid of that dumb reflector and all that stuff that was on there. So I'm really happy with it. It was, you know, 100 some bucks for this upgrade. I had a $100 gift card to Harley, so that worked out really nice. Only a couple dollars out of pocket for me, and got this done. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Again, I'm way happier with this than what the factory setup was, and it was, you know, 10-minute little install. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.